Your business isn't a factory, it's a lab. Your true competitive advantage lies in learning faster than everyone else. Most startups mistakenly chase efficiency too early. Early stage businesses don't need scale, they need certainty. In a factory, the primary goal is repetition and predictable output. In a lab, the core objective is discovery and validated learning. The old way of building is simple. You build, you launch, you hope it works, and then you move on. This approach is inefficient and risky. The new paradigm is to test, learn, adapt, and only then build at scale. If you're a founder or product leader, it's time to transform your product development into a scientific process. Think of AI as your assistant scientist, accelerating your insights. First, make every feature a clear hypothesis. Instead of guessing, ask, will this increase retention by 10% for cohort B? Then, build specifically to test that assumption, not just to launch. Next, leverage AI to rapidly write and test onboarding flow. You can A/B test 10 GPT-generated welcome emails simultaneously. Measure the time to activation for each variation to find what truly resonates. Before committing significant development time, run extensive UX tests. Use tools like Maze or PlaybookUX with AI-generated screen mockups. This allows you to spot critical friction points early, saving valuable resources. Finally, validate your pricing strategy with mock pricing pages. Utilize no-code tools to quickly deploy these tests. Let AI analyze user feedback and behavioral data, enabling you to make smarter, data-driven decisions. You don't need more features. What you truly need is more insight. Factories value output above all else. Labs, however, prioritize learning and validating discovery. The future belongs to founders who test smarter and adapt faster. They scale only what has been proven to work, minimizing waste and maximizing impact. Follow Innovate with Docs to build products that win. Our approach is powered by AI, driven by data, and optimized for continuous discovery.